rubber.
Can I feel it, Uma?
Yeah, sure.
Oops. Yes, it does feel good. I was just talking to Grampu on the phone. We won from the cheese rolling contest yesterday, and
Why do you get to keep it?
it's a family phone. He said that he's taking a week-long vacation to the Bahamas, and he hired a robot to take care of us.
Why can't Inca?
Because Inca's a pianist. She has to teach kids.
Why can't we go to Keiko's?
Well, because I don't think it was planned, and going to someone's house unplanned is pretty much like a house invasion. Meanwhile, Randy has came down with a fever, so he can't babysit anyone.
What about your cousin?
Bobby? Oh, Bobby?
No.
He's out of town.
The other one. Rob, right? Isn't his name Rob?
Oh, Richard?
Yeah, right, good.
He's on a family vacation, too. Meanwhile, Aunt Uta is long passed away. So, really...
Wait, what about Uncle Sam?
Uncle Sam, he was just made for the I Want Youth propaganda posters. Uh-oh.
Come on, we have to run!
It's coming!
Run!
Oh, hi there, Robot Grampu. Whoa!
Oobi, look at you!
Ow! Oh!
Got you! Where are your eyes?
Oh, they flew off! Ah!
Don't worry, I always keep a spare. Oobi. Got your eyes. Here you go.
Hello, little children. How are you two doing today?
Good.
I am Robo Grampu, and today I have been charged with babysitting you two juvenile limbs. Dinner time.
It's morning.
Dinner time.
Okay.
Or else I'll shoot you with my laser eyes.
No! No, are you guys okay? Good.
What do you guys want?
Macaroni, spaghetti.
Noodles, I'll be on with it.
Hey, I have an easier way to make noodles. Why don't we just get microwavable ramen noodles?
No.
Oh.
Alright, time to poison those ungrateful children. Hold on. Zip. Alright, hold on. Time to poison those ungrateful children. Ha ha ha. Alright, let's go see. First, we need the car because macaroni. Har har har, very funny. Next up, we need hockey puck. Air hockey puck to be exact. Har har har, ungrateful children will be poisoned. Next up, oh wait, yum yum. Reminds me of what the mechanic used to make. Wait a minute. Why are there already Oobis and Umas in it? The ungrateful children have multiplied. Alright, now, where is another thing? Box. Now I need to cook it. Alright, dinner's ready. Eat it now or I'll kill you. Bon appetit.
We need to go and get our water. We're very thirsty.
All right, peasants, leave my sight before I shoot you. All right, Uma, what are we going to do about this thing?
Well, they can't hear us when they're in the tent.
All right, but
Robots can't hear a free tent.
we can't just sit here and wait for Grampu to leave from his vacation. We're gonna starve.
Don't worry, I have
All right.
Rice Krispie treats, peanut butter crackers.
Strange voices. Ha ha, silly, peasant, ungrateful child, believing in silly rumors. Kill mode activated.
Ah! Run out! Ah!
I will follow you till old days end, till Grampu comes back. You can never get rid of me. Uh-oh. Hey, I got the mail. Blah! No, nitwit witnesses. Get it? Nitwitnesses. Nitwit witnesses. Ha ha. No one can defeat me. Ah! Well, you may have pulled my eyes off, but I still got hearing. Har har har. Alright, where are those ungrateful children? I need to know where they are. Smells like smoked metal. This burning robot carcass. Man, like, this was a disaster. Now who's gonna watch us?
How long has it been?
Wait a minute, let me check.
Yeah, I can check the calendar. Oh my goodness.
It's been 6 days and 45 minutes? So 15 more minutes and Grandpa would be back? How did time fly by that fast? Oh well. The end.